Alright you guys, so I wanted to film a minimum makeup tutorial with like 7 products and something like as quick and easy as possible. Sorry, I see like a hair here. But something as quick and easy as possible, like a no makeup kind of look. So I have 7 products here, and yeah, I'm gonna make myself look more alive with my pirate shirt on. Yeah, so let's get started. So the first product I'm going to use are these First Aid Beauty skin tints, and I have the color light and tan. I mentioned this in my last video, my get ready with me, but I got these from Marshalls for $10 and they're originally like $34 or $38 or something. So yeah, that's pretty great. So I'm going to take the color light and just shake it up. I'm going to take a few drops here. And I'm going to do one side of my face at a time just so you guys can see the difference. This doesn't give a lot of coverage. It gives like no coverage, it just evens out your skin tone a little bit. So I just roll that into my skin. This is the shade light and it works for me, and I'm not super pale. I'm like a light to medium. So the shade range isn't the best. I think it's definitely more forgiving though when you have a skin tint when it's barely any coverage than if you have a foundation, because it's just different. So you guys can see that doesn't cover my skin a ton. Like you can still see my little mark there. I have one down here. It just evens out your skin and gives you a nice like glow almost, but it still looks like skin, so it doesn't look like you're wearing any makeup, that things are evened out. I can't stand my baby hairs. Like what? That was the first product, and just remember we only have 7 products for this whole look. And then I'm going to take the same skin tint, this one is just in tan. I think this is their darkest shade. It's not that dark. It's not dark. I think Glossy, I used to have like 5 or 4 shades of their skin tint, and I'm pretty sure that they expanded. So maybe they'll expand one day, maybe not, I don't know. But this is tan. It'll probably fit me when I'm tan in the summers because again it's very sheer, but anyway, so just mix it up again, and then I take a few drops on my palm. My hands are clean. You don't want to put dirty hands on your clean face because it's just not good. And then I'm going to take a little bit on my finger, and that's where I'm just going to go in. And it's not even contouring or bronzing really, it's just adding a little bit more color in a very natural way. You guys can see that it's kind of very natural. You know, I have makeup on, but it's barely giving me coverage. It's honestly more like a skincare product because of everything that's in it. But it gives you a little bit of a tint, and it's very pretty. So, next thing we're going to do, I also did this in my last video, but the last video was natural, but not this natural, so. This is the Anastasia Liquid Glow in Peach Fizz, and I'm going to take a little bit of this. These are so beautiful because there's no glitter or anything in them, and they just look very shiny. And then I'm going to put a teeny tiny bit on my eyelids. And then this next product, which is our 4th product, is just this cream stick from e.l.f. I think they're just called cream sticks. I don't think they're called cream blushes. I'm not positive though, I'll link them below. And this one is in Luminous Berry, and I also have the peach one, but I like this one because it's a little bit more pigmented. The other one's really beautiful. It gives you a really beautiful sheen on your cheeks. So I just put it on my fingers just so I can warm it up. And then I tap it into my cheeks. So I know I look a little crazy right now, but it blends out really beautifully. So again, with my fingers, I'm just gonna the only places I'm going to set is right on the sides of my nose and then under my eyes a little bit, just so I don't crease like crazy either, but you guys don't have to do this. I'm just taking a Sony Kashuk brush. Don't even know what this is called, but it's angled and it'll get right in there. So if you guys have seen any of my videos, you know I hate having product in my brows. Like, if there's powder or foundation in them, it makes me crazy. And I don't like having products on my lips either, like powdery. I don't know how people put foundation on or concealer on my lips. It makes me wanna, but I'm just taking a little wipe and making sure there's no product in them. This is technically product number 6. I'm not gonna use this for my eyebrows today just because mine are crazy as it is, and I just kind of like to brush them up a little bit with my spoolie, and then I just kind of leave them there. Get in here and curl my eyelashes. I can't do this on camera because my mirror's down there and I don't want to get my eyelashes out, so I'll be right back. So I curled my lashes. I didn't put anything in them, but you guys could do whatever you want. If you want to do mascara, you can do mascara. If you just want to curl them, if you just want to leave them alone, if you have lash extensions, if you want to put in simple little lashes. I've seen so many lashes that are super simple and like they look super natural, but they give you little, so that's up to you guys if you can do whatever you're comfortable with. But for me, I just wanted to curl them today. So the last part of this look is the lips. I'm going to take that same little creamy stick blush thing from e.l.f. and just pat this on my lips. The final product is some lip balm. You guys can use a gloss or a lip balm or whatever you want. This is just the Rosebud Salve from Smith's, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. And that's it for this look. Very simple, very quick, and pretty natural. So that's it for this video, you guys. Super simple. I hope you enjoy. Any products I use will be down below. If you guys have any questions about this look, just let me know. You can ask me in the comments, or you can ask me on my Instagram, which I will put right here. Yeah, I think that's it. I want to do a skincare routine really soon, and I'm just trying to wait for this guy to go away. And then literally as soon as I film it, I'm gonna have like a huge one like around here. It's what always happens to me, but it's alright. In the comments, let me know what your go-to makeup is. If you guys do full glam every day, or if you just do one thing every day, let me know what your go-to makeup is. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Please subscribe and like this video, and you can follow me on Instagram like I already said. That will be down below. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week with another video.